Welcome all to the new video. Today we will see how to find cube root of a number. So first you should know what is cube root. What is cube root? Cube root of a given number is the number whose cube is the given number. What does it mean? Cube root of number x is y, then the cube of y is equal to x. Let us see some examples. We know what is cube of 3. Cube of 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, 27. That all of us know. That means cube root of 27. Cube root of 27, how we can write? Cube root like this we can write. Okay, root. Here we have to write that 3. This we will read as cube root. Cube root of 27 is equal to 3. So cube of a number we got. So cube root of this one will be that number. Okay. So next 343. What is the cube root? This we know. Cube of 7 is equal to 343. So cube root of 343 will be 7. Next, how to find out cube root by factorization. Let us see the examples. So first I am taking 1728. So to find out the cube root of this number by factorization, first we have to express the same in its prime factors. So first we have to prime factorize the given number. 1728, which will go, 2 will go, so this will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3. Like that we are getting the prime factorization of 1728. Now these prime factors you have to make triplets. So triplets of the same factor. So first 3 we can take one triplet, then second same 2 2 2, so we made that one triplet, and next one we made the another triplet. Now from each triplet take one number outside, so this will be equal to 2 into from here 2 multiplied by 3, so that will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So cube root of 1728 is equal to cube root of this one, isn't it? So that's equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So what we got? Cube root of 1728 is equal to 12. Next, how to find the cube root of a fraction. So if you are considering the fraction x by y, how to find the cube root of this x by y? This is equal to cube root of the numerator divided by cube root of the denominator. Like that we can write. So to find the cube root of a fraction, what we have to do? We have to find out the cube root of the numerator divided by cube root of the denominator. That means cube root of x divided by y is equal to cube root of x divided by cube root of y. Let us see one example. 27 by 64. What is the cube root of this one? Cube root of this 27 by 64. As per this rule, how we can write? This is equal to cube root of 27 divided by cube root of 64. So this is equal to 27 we can write as 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 64 we can write as 4 into 4 into 4. So cube root of, so that's equal to, from each triplet we can take one outside. So this will be equal to 3 divided by 4. Okay. So cube root of 27 by 64 is equal to 3 divided by 4. Next, how we can calculate cube root of product of two numbers. That is cube root of xy is equal to cube root of x multiplied by cube root of y. Let us see the example. 64 into 729. So this will be equal to cube root of, this 64 we can write as 4 into 4 into 4 multiplied by 9 into 9 into 9. Like that we can write. Make it triplet. Then from each triplet we can take one outside. So 4 into 9. So 36 is the cube root of these two numbers. Next, if m is any integer, then cube root of minus m cube, cube root of a negative, is equal to negative cube root of m cube. Let us see one example. Cube root of minus 216. Cube root of minus 216. As per this rule, this minus sign we can write first. Then find the cube root of 216, isn't it? So this will be equal to minus cube root of 6 into 6 into 6 will come. So triplet we can take one outside. So that's equal to minus 6. Like this we can find out the cube root of a negative number. Next, how to find out the cube root of a decimal number. So one example we will see 2.744. Okay. So this decimal number first convert into a fractional number. Then find the cube root. So this will be equal to 3 decimal places are there. So what will be the fractional number equivalent to this? 2744 divided by 1000. Now what will be the cube root of this one? Cube root of 2.744 is equal to cube root of 2744 divided by 1000. X by y form. How we can find out the cube root? Cube root of 2744 divided by cube root of 1000. Now what we have to do? Express the numerator and denominator in its fractional factor form. So 2744 first we can divide by 2. So that's equal to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 7 into 7 into 7 whole divided by cube root of, this 1000 you can write as 10 into 10 into 10, isn't it? So this will be equal to, make it triplet, and from each triplet you can take one factor outside. So this will be equal to, from here I am taking 1 2, multiplied by, from here I am taking 1 7 whole divided by, from this 310 I am taking 110. So what will be the cube root of that one? 7 2s are 14 divided by 10. Convert this into decimal form. So that will be equal to 1.4.